Good day, Noob here. Today's tip is about mirroring shape key on a non-symmetrical object. In all tutorials that I was watching before, explanation was only on a symmetrical mesh. But there is a lot of cases when you would like to project shape key on the other side in a non-symmetrical one. Let me show you some issue that you will definitely have when you will try to do that. For example, we have this cute Ferdinand-like character with nice unsymmetrical hair over here. And we have left blink shape key, which we want to mirror on the right side. So let's try to do it in a default way. Let's pick our blink left shape key, set value to 1, go to the mesh context menu and pick new shape from mix. And for newly created shape key, let's go to the mesh context menu one more time. And for this time, let's pick mirror shape key topology. Let's test it. So we have effect of mirroring our hair, which we don't want to. And the solution is very clear and easy. We need only avoid touching the hair while mirroring. So as you could already guess, we need add new vertex group and apply mirroring effect only on it. So let's do it. Let's go to the vertex group tab, create new vertex group. Let's name it properly like head. Go to the edit mode, select all vertices which we want to add to this group, assign, lock, deselect, object mode. And let's go to the vertex group properties, to the drop down menu and pick here our newly created head vertex group. Let's test it one more time and voila, we have perfectly mirrored shape key on a non-symmetrical mesh without any issues. So that's all for today. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and see you soon. Bye.